Hey guys, what's going on? It's Beatwalker again, and today I'm doing a quick video on making a music video that involved using just an image and a song, all online. You don't need any software for it. So this is what I've been using recently, and I've gotten asked what I use to make videos. So typically I would use something like Final Cut, but in this case where it just involves an image and a song. So if you have a image that you already want to use along with a MP3 or WAV file, which this accepts, you can quickly come on this website, create a video, and I'm going to show you how to do that really quickly. So here we go. So the site is going to be called hypeedit.com/video maker. So once you get to the site, it's going to ask you for an audio upload. So I'll choose one here, and I already got an example. So this is an MP3 file that I am uploading. Alright, so once that gets uploaded, click next. And then here's the video sizes. So you can use a square for either YouTube posts or Instagram posts, or a full YouTube post. So if you have an image that's a video sized image, I would use that. Most of the time for artists, we're using our cover art. So in this case, I will use this, and it can also be posted to Instagram. So that's kind of easy to knock out two birds with one stone in this case. So I'll click that, and then you want to upload your artwork. So here is a JPEG image. So you can use a PNG file or a JPEG, and it must be greater than 400 by 400. So something pretty small works. I do like to use the biggest image because you get better quality on bigger YouTube videos. So just keep that in mind, that the image quality, depending on what you upload, will reflect what's on the video. Click next, and then I'm just going to put my email address in here. So once you put your email address, click next, and then it says it's going to process your video and send it to your email. Just hit create, and that is it for the website. So now within a couple minutes they will send an email to you saying that your video is ready for download. So we'll go to that now. Alright, so this is the email that you're going to get from HypeEdit. This took about 2 minutes to get to me, so it'll just be a straight download button. So click download, and there it is. Really quick video. So this is about, let's see if we can open it up here just to show you. So this is going to be the video. So it's about a 3 minute 48-second long video. Again, not very big. Let's look at the size. So yeah, it's gonna be about, so this one came out to about 6.7 megabytes, so relatively small video to upload. But again, that's really it, really simple. If you just want to go and quickly create a music video that you have an image for, I highly recommend it. If you guys like this video, make sure you drop a like and subscribe for future videos. See you guys.